don't hurt yourself
Thank
again.
you very much.
Your heartbeat is normal.
Yes,
You are breathing fine.
Yes,
Please don't hurt yourself.
Thank you very much.
God bless you.
Jesus!
Okay, sorry, okay? Sorry. Very much.
Yeah.
Thank you, my
You're
brother.
welcome. You're welcome.
Yeah, I'm okay, I'm okay.
You're welcome.
So you see the number. Let me call him now. Let me call him now. Know what it is. Hello?
Hey.
What?
Waiting now, waiting beyond now. Why they spit for my mouth up and down now?
Jesus!
Mind yourself, they cover your mouth. Now so they behave. I know umbrella.
Jesus is Lord!
You are a mumu man.
Apostle, we hear of this.